Now, in this video, I'm going to do two things. We're going to take care of this area here and this area down here. So we're going to do this one first. I'm going up to my, what's my highest level here? It's the top truss. So I'll go to the top truss level. And I'm over here, okay? So I'm going to select that wall and I'm going to say create similar. And we're going to go from the top truss up to maybe, let's just do 1200 or something like that at the moment. And again, I want to draw clockwise, so finish face interior is there. Now, let's get this kind of at the right point. So I think I'll take it from there and just see how that works out, okay? I'll go up as far as here. Right, escape. Now let's get into 3 and see how that's looking. Okay, so there it is there. Let's get into the section 1. Okay, perfect. All right. Now, so that's about the right level there, and I'm gonna tell you why. But up here we can drag this down so that it's underneath. All right. Now you can see we've got a gap here, and we don't want that. So what I'm going to use here is kind of like like the press metal drip, something like that. And if you remember, I'm going to use the roof command for this again. So I'm going to do roof, not by footprint, sorry, cancel. Roof by extrusion, and pick the plane again. Make sure we get this right. Okay, that's fine. Now here's my press metal capping 2, but I have I thought I had a press metal capping 1. Did I? Oh, I didn't save that one. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is. Right now. So I'll go into the type here, and you can take a look at that. This is going to be 3 mil. All right. So it's just aluminium. That's all it is. I'll go OK and OK. Now, so I want to draw my extrusion line. So it's coming in from behind the face, the inside face of the wall here, across to there, okay, across to here, and maybe something like so. All right, so escape, and let's go like that. Okay, and go into 3D now. There it is, and here's the grips that I have. Again, if I go to the top truss here, I should be able to see that and pull that the whole way through here. So I've got kind of a press metal drip operating there, and I'll pull this one back to here. Right, let's take a look at that in 3D now. Okay, so there's my wall there and my drip coming down. So what I need to do is just create a gutter along there. And I'm kind of wondering now, would it be easier to actually slope this the other way and create a gutter in here, a press metal gutter, as per this idea here. All right. So I'll have a little think about that. And then in the meantime, coming down to here. So I want to create our gutter in here. Now, you should never scrimp on this one, okay? Because quite a lot of water will come off of here. And so it needs to be, and it'll come off at pace as well, because that's a 26-degree slope. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go into the top truss maybe again here. So what I want to do is I want to create a bit more space for myself. So I'm moving this back. I'm going to use my arrow keys. I'm going to move it back to about there. Now let's see how that looks in the section. Okay, and I need to, need to move it back up. Now that's not bad there. All right, so let's see, am I good there? I'm good there, and I'm good here. Now that gives me plenty of room to do that. So same principle again. I'm going to use my my roof command. So I'm going to do architecture roof by extrusion, and we're going to pick our plane again. And so I'm picking the edge face. I'm going to pick the edge face of that beam there. Now I'm going to draw my extrusion. So we're going to come from here, okay, to the edge, down, okay, and then I'll come over something like this, and then I want to get in behind here. Let's come up, and I want to come bring this right up. So maybe half a meter up. Okay. Now let's see if this will extrude for us. No, that's not bad. Now, what I might do is I might just go back and change that. Rather than just this one, I'm going to use the insulated one that I have. Okay, so let's just go back to undo. Okay, and we'll change this over for the press metal capping 2. And we'll go okay on that one. All right. Now, that's not bad. What I would prefer, obviously, if this was sitting up a little bit. So I need to get around that and do that. Let's just finish it. I might be able to, I will be able to select it. Okay, select it and edit the profile. So you can see that I need to bring this up like so. One more. Now I'll finish that. There you go. Okay, so there's my gutter end there. Now let's select it again and go into the top truss. We want to bring this all the way over here. Okay, and we want to bring it all the way down to there and to here. And then we're going to copy it. And again, we'll find our good reference point here. The suffice. Let's see if that works. So section 1. Now there it is there, there it is there. That's not bad. So I need to just pull this one back here a little bit. Right, so again, we're creating a good depth here of that. There probably will be another press metal to come in down here as well. And again, we can use the same technique to do that. To bring that kind of down that way. I'm just going to edit the profile again, and we're going to move that up so that it's kind of maybe something like that. Let's see how that works out. Do it again, edit profile, and just bring that up to the underside of that one there. Now, something like that, okay? And then we need to do that over here as well. So, profile, put that up to roughly the underside there, finish that. Okay, so let's now pick this one, edit the footprint. I will go to the top truss. Okay, pick that one and across roughly to there, I think. Is that right? Let's go into the section now and put it up again. Yeah, that's not bad. Now, things like this here and what's happening there, when you do a 1:10 or 1:5 detail in that area, you can take care of the drips and all of that kind of stuff that goes on in there. All right. Now, so I'll apply the same principle for this one here. I'll create that one there. And yeah, I think I'm going to reverse this. I might. I haven't decided yet. Next video, find out what decision I made. But there's my wall here, the drip there, and the valley gutters here. Okay.